When an engine cranks but won't start, there are a few common causes that you can check first to solve the issue. Hi, I'm Connor from Delphi, and today we're discussing some of the first things to look at when an engine cranks but fails to turn over. One of the most obvious issues is a vehicle with no fuel in the tank. But even if there's fuel in the tank, a faulty fuel pump or fuel module will prevent the fuel from reaching the engine. If you cannot hear a soft whirring sound when trying to start the vehicle, that can be a sign of a faulty fuel pump. A clogged fuel filter or fuel module screen can cause a similar issue. Fuel is blocked from traveling where it's needed, resulting in a dead vehicle. The next thing to check is a no spark, no connection issue. If the vehicle has a bad spark plug wires, or a bad ignition coil, you may experience a rough or mistimed start. Take a look at the spark plugs and wires and see if they need replacing, or test the ignition coils if the car has them. Another issue could be a loss of compression in the engine. Running a cranking compression test will show which cylinders have a loss. Another way to test is to use a vacuum gauge to show the engine vacuum while cranking. It should read 2 to 5 inches Hg. One final issue you can check for is a faulty relay or blown fuse. Replacing the fuse or relay may solve the issue, but you should try to determine what caused the failure, so it doesn't happen a second time. To recap, after you rule out the obvious, no fuel or ignition or compression, check out some of the common causes that we've gone over today to help figure out why that engine just refuses to start. Subscribe to our channel below so you can refer to this video in the future and have access to other service videos from Delphi. And check out DelphiAutoparts.com for other great resources. I'm Connor with Delphi. Thanks for watching.